Hi everyone, my name is Jean and the name of my channel is Jean Home Decor and More. Welcome, welcome. Happy holidays everyone. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you're a subscriber, special love and shout out to you. And if you're a returning visitor, welcome back guys, welcome back. So today I am participating in an open collab called It's Christmas Time Tier Tray, and it's hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Deborah Cabasa Home Living. So let me come in a little closer and let you guys have a look at my decorated tier tray. So what I've done is I've tied some ribbon at the top. This is the same ribbon that I used on my skinny tree. I have a little cardinal in the front, and in the back what I have is a little decorative, it's just a little decorative vase with some Christmas greenery, some flocked Christmas greenery and berries in it. And then I have a little ornament nestled down on the top. And on the bottom of my tier tray, I have the infamous red truck, Christmas red truck, with a snowman in the back and a Christmas tree. I have an ornament back there, and I've also, a couple of ornaments actually, and I've also included some more pine cones, top and bottom. And then what I've attached is a tea towel. I just tucked a little tea towel in at the bottom of the tier, and I just thought that that made a nice look. Again, I'm going with my classic Christmas colors of green and red. I guess by now, you guys, you all know that I like the classic Christmas colors. So this was, how easy is this? There's really nothing to it but to pop a couple of little items that you have. And everybody has some little items that they can include on their tier tray. So I thought I would make mine decorative. So what I plan to do is to kind of push this back and nestle my tier tray in between my two nutcrackers. Okay, so this is the look underneath my cabinet on my countertop, and my tier tray now is nestled in between Santa and the little doggy nutcrackers. So I thought this makes this side of my kitchen countertop quite festive. And also, as you can see, guys, what I'm trying to do here is to hide the light switch and the cord back there for my changing light. So I thought that was quite festive. And I just want to kind of show you guys this again. I thought this was really super cute. I got that last year from an antique shop in King George, Virginia. So I thought that was really cute. You can put some little candy in there, cheese, nuts, any kind of little spreads you have if you're entertaining. But I just thought this was super cute for a little corner of your kitchen countertop. So hey, look guys, if you like these types of videos, please consider subscribing. I will be posting the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Deborah Cabasa Home Living. I'll be posting the links to their channels down in the description box below, so you can click on them and see all of the awesome content that they have, show them some love. And again, hey, look, if you like these types of videos, please consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you. Give me a big thumbs up. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think about my tier tray. You guys have an amazing day. Happy holidays. And until the next video, peace.